Inayat Afridi from LEEDS College, Peshawar. How are you today? Fine? I hope so. In today's lecture, I will talk about sentence, what sentence is, how we define the sentence, but important things, let's talk about history of the sentence. The sentence, according to Webster American Encyclopedia, exact page 1300, it's mentioned right there that the word sentence, as from the Latin language, the word sententia, literally means opinion and decisions. But the question is, how actually we define a sentence? Sentence as a combination of words having complete sense and meanings. But the question is, how many grammatical units we have in a sentence? Let's talk about grammatical units of the sentence. Sentence mainly has two grammatical units. Answer the combinations of two grammatical units, including number one, subject, and the second one is the predicate. But we have another sticky questions, and the question is, how many types of sentence we have? Possibly confused. Let's talk about types of the sentence. The topic is controversial, but we have answer. According to some grammarians, sentence hint to categories including the minor, and the next is the major sentence. But sometimes we say that there are four types of the sentences, including declarative, imperative, interrogative, and the last one, I got that, exclamatory sentence. Let me define the sentence at the end. Sentence as a combination of words giving complete sentence. Ta-ta for now.